In short, if you want the answer in one sentence, it is obeying the commandments of Allah and His Messenger. If you obey the commandment of Allah and His Rasul, all His commandments, then inshallah, you will be following all the necessary things. In detail, there are hundreds. We listed the major ones just a couple of days back when we discussed the topic recommended and discouraged acts while fasting. And if you remember, we had discussed 32 points in the topic of recommended acts while fasting and about 29 points in acts which are discouraged while fasting. Both put together 61. All these days we have discussed more than 60 points which are recommended and discouraged. In short, if you follow the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger, we are doing the associated things. In short, to mention, just to highlight a few more, a few which we have discussed earlier, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1901. Our Prophet said that anyone who fasts the complete month for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for him, and seeking reward from him, he will have all his sins forgiven. So first thing is the intention, it should be for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we should do it to seek the reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.